Dear friends, in this quick session, I'll tell you how to install Google Cloud Translation Jar. Okay, if you remember in the last session, there were two projects. One was I was using to create translation jar. Okay, this one. And to test that jar, I had this project. Okay, so in this project, if you see, I do have coded the cloud translation APIs. This is giving you translation result that you can use in your project. Okay, and to make jar of this project I had used, both of this has been attached. Okay, this is the jar that I'm getting from this project. I'm using this jar into another project which you can consider the project which is looking to get multi-language support. Okay, here. So I have already installed that jar in this project, real test. Okay, but I'll do delete for you so that I can show you the fresh installation. Okay, so if I go here in under empty repository, you will see UPS. I will delete this. Okay, so if I come to back to workspace 3, you just refresh it, you will see the error. Okay, see, because I deleted the installation of that jar, and hence this is the place where you are calling the jar method. Okay, so how to remove this error? That means we need to install API here, that jar here. Okay, for that let us go the source of that jar, which is this project. I'll copy the location of this jar. Okay, the location of this jar is this one. Okay, there is command which is this one, ambient install file. This is the file location. I will update the file location as well. Okay, and then group id com.ups.gcp translation. This is nothing but your original. If you go here in form.xml, this is the same group id, right? com.ups.gcp translation that I have put here. Okay, artifact id is your original source artifact id, SPSF GCP translation. You can take this. Okay, version is 0.1. Again, the version is 0.1. Okay, so nothing special. This command, I will need to execute this command. Where you will execute this command? This command would be executed in the project where you want to install that jar. The location of this project is this one. I have already opened this into command prompt, if you see. Okay, and now I need to copy this command. Go command prompt, paste here, run it. Okay, this will install the jar, build success. Okay, second step that you need to is that dependency. Go to the target project, which is in my case is this one. Open your form.xml. Herein you need to provide the dependency. Okay, if you see dependency for SPSF translation jar, the paste that. Okay, here, and that's all. So if you refresh this, the error gone. Okay, that means you have installed your cloud translation jar successfully. Okay, and that jar is available in your real project for to get your text translated. Dear colleague, this is Anil. In this video, I'll tell you how to install jar in Spring Boot based Maven project. This is my Google Cloud Translation jar project. This is nothing but creating a jar that can be used for a project which is looking for multi-language support. Okay, so this is already done. Part of installation, if I execute Maven install, this will create a jar which is for JCP translation 0.1 jar. Okay, I want this jar to be used in my another project. That project I have created is workspace 3. Herein, if you see, I want to use that jar. Okay, so go here. Okay, open pom.xml. You would need these things: this group id, artifact id, and version. Okay, if I open, these are the commands. Okay, first you need to copy the source jar location, which is this one. Go here and update this. The file location, group id, go to the source jar project, copy the group id, came to the commands. Group id is your copy your artifact id, and this is version. Okay, same group id and artifact id you are going to use here in this dependency. Artifact id. Okay, so now your two-step process is ready, or raw material is ready. One is installation of this command, and second you would need to provide this dependency in your project. Okay, so let me copy this command. Go to the location of your target project where you would like to install that cloud translation jar so that you can get multi-language support. Okay, so you can copy the location of this product. By the way, I have opened this location already here in command prompts. Okay, and just paste that command, run install, build success. Second step is that copy this dependency, go to target project and open form.xml. Herein, remove this. Okay, represent. There is some error. Probably you would need to build it. Clean. Clean is running. Now run maven install. There is some error. Let us see what is this. It's compiling target classes. It's gone. Okay, because jar is installed already, so now we can build it. This is the code where calling the cloud translation jar method. Okay, and if you see, it is importing that package. Okay, com.me.google.translation service. This is the class. Okay, so that means your jar is available. Okay, let me see. Let me clean it again. Install it. There is some. Okay, so this is not related to installation. Okay, I had changed some package name, and this is where it's giving problem. Okay, but as far as your jar installation is, that is done correctly, and you see, right, you are able to toward your cloud translation jar class. Okay, I can fix it, but that will take little time. Let us not do that. Okay, in the interest of time. Okay, so that's all, my friend. Here you are able to install cloud translation jar in your target project, and you can get multi-language support in this project. Thank you so much for your time, and please don't forget for review.